Good morning, dear children. Today we will continue Unit 7 Word Processing, and today I will explain you practically how to use graphics in your word processing software. Students, in MS Word, you can insert graphical objects. You can insert graphical objects. Like suppose if you want to insert cliparts in your MS Word. I have opened MS Word in my system. You can see here. Now I am using inserting cliparts. Now I am using Office 2019. So student, you will not find any option of clipart here. You have to go to insert menu, then pictures. In pictures you will have two options, this device and online picture. So you have to click on online pictures, and when you click on online pictures, the window will open in which there will be so many pictures with some labels. You have to type here clip arts. I will type here clip arts. So it will show you some common clip arts available in the system and from the internet also. As you can see here, students, there is a list of common clip arts. You can select any clip art and you can add it in your Word document. How to add? Just type here. Suppose I want to insert the image of clip art of computer. Then I will write here computer and then I will press enter. Now you will have various images, clip art images of computers. You can select any one. Suppose I will select this image and I will click on insert. So here picture of computer will be inserted in your web page. Now you can see here, student, this is the image of the computer I have inserted using Cliparts. Now if you want to increase or decrease the size of this picture, then you can easily do it. You will see when you double click on this picture, you will see the format options are given here in the ribbon. You have in the corner, you can see here the height and width of the picture. You can increase or decrease the height, and this is the shape height and this is the shape width. So you can increase this size. Suppose I want to increase this, I can increase the height and I can decrease the width also. If I want to decrease the width also, I can decrease it accordingly. So you can reshape your picture like this. Now if you want to insert a picture using insert tab, you have various libraries of pictures. For that you have to click on insert and then pictures and then this device. Now in your system, if you want any image to insert, you can select that image and press insert, then it will be inserted into your document. You can set the height and width of the picture accordingly. Now how to crop the picture? Suppose you have inserted any picture from the internet. Now you want to crop it. So once you will double click on the picture, you will have crop option in the above ribbon. You click on it and then you select the picture, whatever portion you want to crop. Suppose from the top I want to crop this part, then I will click as select the part and then I will again click on crop button. So this picture is cropped now. So in this way you can use cropping a picture option in MS Word. Now working with shape, you can insert various shapes in MS Word also. Suppose you want to insert any rectangle. Now for that you have to place the cursor where you want to insert the rectangle. Then you will click on insert tab. Insert tab, you will have shapes. in this shapes you will find so many shapes are available here. You can select any shape, like suppose I'm selecting this rounded rectangle, so I will click on it and here I will make the rectangle accordingly. So this rounded rectangle is inserted in my Word document. Now if you want to edit this shape, then you can change the shape also. Suppose if I want to change the shape, then I will double click on it and then you will find here change shape option, edit shape option, change the shape of this drawing. So I will click on it. It will have a change shape option. Now in rectangles you can use these shapes. Now if you want to change it into corners rectangle, then you will select it and now you see you can change the shape of the rectangle also. If you want to add text in the this box in rectangle, you want to add text, then you will right click on it, then add text option you will find. You have to click on it, add text. Now here cursor will be there. Now you can type anything, like I am typing digital India. Like this you can type text to your rectangle. You can increase or decrease the font of this text. Like this I have increased the text font size of the text. Now if you want to modify the shape, color and outline, now here blue color is there. Now if you want to change the color of the shape, then just you have to uh, click on this shape and then format. You will find shape fill option. Shape fill option, you will have various colors. You can see here preview also. You want any color, you can change it. Suppose I want this gold accent, so I will select it, then it will be applied into my rectangle. Now if I want to change the outline of my shape, so you have to click on shape outline, and in shape outline you can select any color. Like suppose I have selected the red color, then red color, and you can choose the width of the outline. Like I have selected this 4.5 point. Now it will show you this type of outline in your rectangle box. So this is modifying shape, color and outline. Now you can add effects to your shape. Suppose I want to add a different shape style, then again you will go to, first you will click on it, then you will go to format, and in format you have shape effects button. Under the shape styles group you have shape styles group, and in that you have shape effects. This is the shape effect. Now you can select the various types of styles from here. Like I will select preset and then I will select this type of 3D shape. So once I will select this shape, it will be converted into the style like this. So in this way you can change, you can add effects to your shape also. Now there is another feature in MS Word is working with smart art graphics. Smart art graphics is a very good feature in MS Word. For that you will click on insert tab, insert, then in illustrations group you have smart art button. You will find smart art button. You will click on it. Once you will click on it, it will show you different formats. You will select here list, and from this list you will add this type of list. This is called vertical curved list. Now suppose you want to explain students, like I want to explain my student that input devices. Now I have come to next page. Now I will type heading input devices. I will increase the font of this and now I want that in this way I want list. This is called smart graphics. First I will click on it, and you will click this arrow button. You will have various options. You can type here text, like first I will write keyboard, then I want mouse, then I want joystick, and if you want to add more options, just press enter key, and if you want to delete the list, just you press backspace key. Using this you can increase your list, and if you want to delete any list, just press backspace key from the keypad. You can delete the various list options also. So this is the smart art graphics, students, and you can add various styles also for your smart art graphics. Now if I want to add style, then I will click on more button under smart art styles. Here you will have smart art styles, then in that you will click on more option. Here more arrow will be given, more when once you click on it, I will select this 3D shape. These are the various 3D shapes. Now I will select this 3D shape, so the list will be converted into a particular style that you want to apply. Now suppose you want to change the color of the list. Now again you will click on this smart art graphics, and you will click on change colors. Change colors, you will find various color options. You can select any color, like I am selecting this color option, this. Now I will click on it, just I will click on it, it will be applied to my list. So in this way you can change the color of the smart art styles. Now, applying text wrapping. Suppose you have inserted any image in your, suppose this is the image you have inserted. Now, if you have various text also in your web page, so in your document you have some text also. Now, you want to fit this picture in between the text. So, there are text wrapping options. Wrap text means adjusting or fitting text into graphical object. How to do that? You have to click on wrap text button under arrange group of format tab. Here this is a format tab. You will click on format tab. Then you will have arrange group. You will have arrange group. This is the arrange group, and here a wrap text option is given. Here you will click on it, and you will have various options. Now you will select here square, and once you will select here square, you can bring this move this picture anywhere in between the image. It will be inserted in between the text also. So this is the wrap text feature you can use in your document. This is all about wrap text, and now inserting symbol and special characters in the document. Now if you want to insert special characters in your document, then you have insert tab, then you will click on insert tab, and then you will click on symbol button under symbols group of insert tab. You will click on insert tab, and here you have to find symbols. Here you have to find symbols, and then you have to click on this symbol button, this. So here you will find many symbols. If you want more symbols, then you can click on it. Now if you want, I want to add this symbol, I will click on it. It will be added in my document. In this way you can add a symbol in your document. This is the way to add a symbol, like this I have added a symbol. If you want to add more symbols, then you can use more symbols options from that. Now if you want to uh, add objects in your word, like if you want to add any word file from another file, then you can use object linking and embedding option in MS Word. In that you can link object in your document. For that you will click on insert tab, then you will have object button in text group. This is the text group, and you have to find object button. You have to find this object button. This is the object button. You will click on it and click object, and here you will have various objects, like if you want to insert image or any Excel worksheets, you want to insert any Excel worksheet in your Word document, then you can easily do it. So you can select it, or you want to select from the file, you can create from the file, and you will click on browse. If the file is available on your system, you can select it and add it in your system. So it will allow you to add OLE objects, object linking and embedding into your Word document. If you want to add any audio file in your Word, you can easily add using this object insert object option. Okay students, do practice. This chapter is completed now. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.